Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make macaroni ham salad easy guide. Start by boiling 3 cups of elbow macaroni until al dente, then drain and cool under cold water. While pasta cools, dice 2 cups of ham, 1 cup of celery, and half a cup of onion. Mix mayonnaise with mustard and a splash of vinegar for balance. Toss everything gently, chill for 1 hour, then serve cold and enjoy. Gather your ingredients and prep them before you start assembling the salad so the process stays smooth and quick. Chop ham into bite-sized pieces and dice celery and onion uniformly for consistent texture. Whisk mayonnaise, mustard, and vinegar together in a bowl, then taste and adjust salt or acidity. Keep chilled ingredients cold until mixing to maintain freshness and crunch. This prep step makes assembly fast and stress-free. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and give the video a like to help more people find it. On another note, I've been enjoying Little Tree's black ice for a clean, crisp car sent after shopping for ingredients makes the drive home feel nicer. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for the support, and now let's get back to the video. When assembling, be gentle to avoid mushy pasta. Fold ingredients together with a wide spatula. Add dressing a little at a time and toss until evenly coated, stopping when texture looks creamy but not soggy. Taste and tweak seasoning with salt, pepper, or a squeeze of lemon if needed. For best flavor, chill at least 1 hour so flavors marry, then stir again before serving to redistribute dressing and herbs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.